remove text from video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can remove the text from video in CapCut. So if you want to remove the text from your video in CapCut in 2024, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch the CapCut app on your device. Once you are here, you have to go for the edit option to start a new project here. And after that, you have to click on the new project option. Just go for that and add a project from your library here. So once you have edited the project from your library and select the video clip here, so if you want to add a text, just go for a text. You have to find the text layer here and go for add a text like this. And you can edit your text too. And you can resize your text. After that, if you want to delete that text here, you have to go back and you have to tap on that text. So here you can see that you can't tap on that text. You have to just go for the text option and tap on that text, and you can go for the delete or trash icon to remove it from the video. You have to scroll to the right and you can see the delete option. So here you can see that you have successfully deleted text from your CapCut. If necessary, you can adjust the remaining video to fill any gaps left by the removed text, and you can play the video to preview here. After that, you can tap on the export option to save your edited video. This is the simple step how you can remove the text from your video on your CapCut. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.